This may very well be the most boneheaded move I've ever captured since dashcamming over the last 7 years. Just when you thought organ donor Oliver from video number 268 was being a massive bonehead, an even bigger bonehead comes along. This big rig slows down and puts a left turn signal on to make a wide left turn. Despite the fact it's plainly obvious what the big rig is in the process of doing, Turdball Tyrone just has to risk it all.
Oh! What are you doing? Oh my god! That is just fucking nuts. I could not believe what I just saw right there.
Amazingly, there is no crash. His driving was as disgusting as drinking from a bedpan.
Oh my god!
Don't forget to subscribe. You do not want to miss out on more excitement.